Hello folks, welcome to the unboxing of my GoPro 8 Black, Hero 8 Black. Very excited to see it. Today is the big day and we're going to open it now and see what's inside. We did spray it with alcohol, just to be sure. So we have some nice plastic bubble wrap. And we have the bundle. I ordered the bundle, special bundle as it says on the package. And in the special bundle is supposed to be the camera itself, the head strap, the headgear, the shorty stick, an extra battery, and a memory card. Let's see if they remembered everything. And then from my studying, I know there's a blue tab we pull on the bottom. And slide everything out somehow, like that. And here's the camera. It's very nice, very nice. The camera's got the fingers, as they call it, built in now. Built into the body. They fold out of the way. Flip out when you need them to attach them to a mount. According to what I read, all the pamphlets are inside. Also inside is the memory card, the extra battery, as was ordered, the headgear, and the shorty stick. I'll be a hit at many a party wearing headgear and a camera on my forehead. Now that can be used on the dashboard of your car. Here's a battery, GoPro official battery. Two of them actually. The shorty stick. And the charging cable. Just as ordered. See if I remember how to do this.